Welcome to I Love Tunics. This is the splash of colour fleece tunic top. This one here, ladies, has a gorgeous splash of colour, bit of an abstract print on this one. Slight flowers in between I see here, and a lovely round neck with black trim. It's got long sleeves made out of a soft fleecy fabric, decorative buttons, and it also has a absolutely beautiful crossover hem here. So very comfortable to wear, great for hips and tummies. So getting quick, this one here is flying out the door. This one here has a, a bust of 49 centimeters, 49 centimeters, a waist of 52 centimeters, and a hip of 54 centimeters. This one here has an armhole of 24 centimeters, and the sleeve on this one, oops, bit crease there, is 18 centimeters. The length on this one is 71 at the front and 80 at the back. This one here is marked as a size 10, so according to our sizing chart, this one is a size 10. So enjoy, and this one's available at ilovetunics.com.